Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review. I'm excited because this is so different, real different product. I did show you guys in a vlog, but it's been a few weeks and I really want to show you guys, like tell you how it's worked for me and how it is and how much if I like it or not. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to tell you about my first experience with it. I would definitely recommend heading over to my Instagram because you'll be able to see me use it and you'll be able to see me run a tutorial, show you guys exactly how I applied it. So we are going to be talking about the Jelly Tan. So this is a product I was sent by Sunkissed. Very, very kindly it was gifted to me to review for you guys, which I love doing. So this is the Sunkissed Hydrating Jelly Tan. First impressions when I looked at this, I was like, say what? Like, I'm so used to mousses and dark mousses and things that are not like this. This is transparent. And I was looking at it and I was like, how can this tan me? And I was not knowing what to expect. I had no idea. I really didn't know what to expect. So I'm going to insert a little picture of my first experience and how it worked for me, how tanned I got. Now I always tend to use either Saint-Tropez, St. Maurice or Sunkissed, but the mousse, like I think it's like a golden pink one. I can't remember, but that's the one I always seem to use. So I was super excited for this. So I'm going to show a little picture of how my legs looked, how quickly it developed and etc. And I'm going to tell you my thoughts on it. The thing that I noticed is that it brings, they gifted me a little mitt. Now it is a little bit dirty because I have used it a few times, which is why I wanted to use it a few times so I can give you a full review, like my actual thoughts on it. So when you apply the product, it's a gel, like it comes out into a little transparent gel. You apply it onto your body, and the first thing I noticed is it wasn't like you can't see anything. It's just like applying a moisturizer. So you really want to make sure that you do it properly and thoroughly and evenly. So as I was applying it to my skin, nothing happened. I went and sat down, done a little work on my blog, run a few errands, done some emails, and about 6 hours later I walked into the bathroom and I looked at myself and I was like, whoa. Like, I was tanned, and in that picture you'll be able to see I was so tanned, and it was so good because when I usually use a mitt, I usually use the ones from Primark because they're cheap, and I always get orange hands. Always have done. Never been able to just run my tan across my body without getting orange hands, no matter what I use. Sometimes I actually put a sock over my hand, then put the mitt on because I don't want orange hands. So I was really first impressed with this mitt. This mitt is such good quality, I cannot express that enough. That it's so velvety and soft, but it's so thick and durable. Like, it really soaks that tan into this rather than letting it go onto your hands. And it's not thick, but it's thick enough, and it stops all of that orangeness going onto your hands. And I looked at myself and I was like, wow, like I'm really impressed. So first impressions, I am so impressed with this. Really love it. I feel like it's one of the best self tanners that I've ever used, and not just for the results, but the fact that it's transparent, it's not messy, it doesn't stain you, it's not streaky, it's like a moisturizer. And you know what? It doesn't smell. It doesn't smell bad. It smells gorgeous. It has just like it's like a strong moisturizer smell. So it's nothing crazy. You can't tell. Even my mum and my fiance said to me, wow, like, babe, you look brown, like, you look good. And I was like, it's this little baby, like, I've sent it, and it's so good. This one is in the, I think this one's the medium shade. Yeah, this is the medium one, and it made me so tanned. It looked good. Also, you guys, it lasted me definitely 7 to 8 days, I would say. I like to tan on a Sunday because I'm going to be filming on a Monday. Monday's my filming days, and I like to be prepared. So on a Sunday, I always wash my hair, get a shower, run a bath, and do some self-tan. And this lasted me right up until the following Sunday. So I'm so impressed with this. I'm going to tell you a little information about it because I feel like I do my research on stuff. I don't like to apply anything onto my body. I like to do my research. I like to know what I'm putting into my skin. So it has over 95% natural ingredients, 0% parabens, sulfates, phthalates, if that's how you say it, silicones and alcohol, 0%, vegan friendly, dermatologically tested, made in the UK, 100% recyclable, up to 28% recycled plastic, and it is against animal cruelty, contains hyaluronic acid, and it is for the face and the body, which I love. It's so good. So I would say for best results, you want to leave it for 4 to 6 hours. That's what it says on the bottle. I noticed around 5 hours, I was like, I'm happy, like, I'm ready to go. So on 6 hours, I was really impressed, and I love the fact that it didn't cause any, I don't know if you guys might get it, like, I don't know if it's just my skin and I'm a little need to maybe exfoliate a bit more, but I always get tan lines around here, like around my neck and on my wrist as well. But you can see, I mean, I'm not as tanned now, it is starting to fade, but I still look brown. But you can see that I have no marks around my wrist or my hands, and usually I get it in between these bits. Like, I'm sure we all know this, but I get it really bad between here when I use different tans, when I use other mitts. But this is so good. So I'm gonna read a little information about it. Okay, so it's called the Professional Hydrating Jelly Tan from Sunkissed, bronzing.co.uk. I'm going to link their Instagram down below. I'm going to link their website down below, their Twitter. I'm going to link everything about them because they're such an amazing brand and they're so lovely over there as well. Really nice girls. It's £13.99, which I think is really well priced for a product that I've used possibly like 4 or 5 times, and I've still got loads and loads left. So really impressed with the pricing of it as well. So the velvety jelly texture contains hyaluronic acid for long-lasting intense nourishment, and it's quick to apply, melts into the skin, definitely agree to that. It leaves your skin feeling silky smooth and soft. Yeah, it does leave your skin feeling very soft. Even my fiance was like, babe, your legs are so soft. This gradual tan is perfect for using regularly to maintain a beautiful healthy glow. So to apply it, you rub a little moisturiser to the knees, feet, elbows and hands first, very important. Then use one of our application mitts or your hands to apply liberally to the body and face. So you can even use your hands, it doesn't stain, which is so good. Make sure it's fully absorbed before getting dressed. If you use your hands to apply, don't forget to wash them afterwards. Okay. So as you can see, that's how it comes out, right? And basically you just get your mitt. So it's just like applying a moisturiser. You just get your mitt and you just start massaging it all around your skin, like so. And look, there's nothing there, you can't see any difference. It's not muddy, it's not brown, there's no difference. It just looks silky, smooth and moisturised. But give it 5 to 6 hours and you will be glowing. So I'm going to link everything down below about them, and I really hope you guys can check them out because they are such an amazing brand and so kind to send me this out. So thank you so much, Sunkissed. It really means the world to me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to me if you haven't already. It would mean the world to me, and I love you guys. Bye!